you're subject to the rules of the road. You need to follow
I
them.
object. This is not fair.
You can object and you can appeal if you wish also.
I will.
Take that to the window and set up payment arrangements. Or if you want to refuse to pay it, it'll be an unpaid infraction. And I'm telling you what I've done here today. Mr. Giorno, like, again, the license issue, that's a pretty cut and dried thing. You have a license now? It looks like you do. How did you want to proceed on the seatbelt ticket? I request evidence that you're in any type of contract concerning this case. I will tell you that that's not a winning argument. It's just not.
Okay, but returning to being subject to the codes, there was also no response from the prosecutor's office as far as to these codes.
Again, anybody who drives on the road are subject to the rules of the road.
I understand it.
A request for that in advance of the hearing.
Your Honor, I understand that it's the burden of proof is on the plaintiff.
Were you wearing your seatbelt? And if not, why not? And tell me what the misunderstanding with the officer is.
As far as I know, had a valid driver's license. So I contest that I don't have any evidence from the prosecutor's office. I don't have any witness to cross-examine.
Do you have anything else? Because I'm ready to rule on these cases unless you, and again, I'll give you the opportunity to set this over and have the trooper present if you wish. You're here now. I don't have to, but I will give you that accommodation if you wish to take advantage of it.
There's no prosecutor present. There's no witness present. Doesn't seem I'm allowed to have a fair trial. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it is an adversarial court system.
Right.
And they have failed by default to appear. So I don't see why this should continue.
And the fact that they don't on these infractions, again, they rely on the report.
Well, I'm here for the hearing. I mean, It's going to be a fair trial. So I have no idea who printed that up.
And again, I tried to explain that to you too. When you choose to get on the road, you're subject to the rules of the road. You need to follow
I
them.
object. This is not fair.
You can object and you can appeal if you wish also.
I will.
Okay. Give him a piece of paper. You can come up this and you can take this to the window, file your appeal or whatever you wish to do. That's fine. You're certainly free to do that.
You're acting as a prosecutor, giving me a bill. This is not a fair trial. They didn't show up. I'm not subject to these codes according to the prosecutor's office. The officer doesn't even have the decency to sign his own name.
And you can come and take this and you can take that to the window and set up payment arrangements. Or if you want to refuse to pay it, it'll be an unpaid infraction. And I'm telling you what I've done here today. I mean, I clearly offered you a deferral. I thought you said that at the beginning. I went through all three options.
At the beginning when everyone was present.
Yeah. And I told everybody what their options are. And then when they come to the table, they tell me what they want to do.
Yes. Well, I was pursuing a line of contesting this.
And I ruled against you, which is what happened here today.